My last day of school because tomorrow there's no school.
Pinipicture mo pa ba?
Never mind that.
Diretso ka na sa second floor, ha?
Okay. Okay, never mind that, but. Here na. Here. Tapos, ano yung something naman?
Kaya napupungo yung gallery mo.
Hindi.